How to find your group ID on Roblox. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about finding a group ID in Roblox. So now let's get started. First of all, I want you to know that group and communities are same on Roblox. So you need to launch your web browser, go to roblox.com and log into your account first. After that, tap on Communities section that is between Redeem and Themes on the left-hand side of the screen. Once you tap on it, look at the URL in the address bar and it should look like roblox.com/groups and the group ID as well. It will be visible as 8-digit number, so you can copy this ID and use it as needed. You can also share it among your friends and invite them to join any community or the group that you prefer. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can find the group ID in Roblox. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.